YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, it's me, man, Ingestion, back with another super chugging video. I know you can't. Hey, listen, man. Alright, family, I ain't even gonna hold you. Everyone knows I've been out the chug game for a minute. My last video was probably like a year and a half ago. Today, I saw something at Schnucks I could not resist. V8. No vegetable juice. And what stood this out to me is, it's like with a can opener, I've never seen anything quite like this before. But quick sale for $2, your boy's gonna pick up the deals. But it's a little much for my first chug, but I've been thinking about Nathan's recently. Want to visit Coney Island this year, finally see the dogs, finally see the chug competition. And I'm hungry and focused at the moment. So I'm just ready to go in, folks. But first, let's get to the details. 6 servings, 8 full ounces a serving. About 30% sodium, about 180% of your sodium. So hopefully I don't have no heart attack, health complications after this one. But enough talk. It is time to chug. So let's speed it up. All right, pop's been topped. Let's take a look at the goodness. Get a little bit of the dungeon in the background. But at the moment we got 46 floor ounces, 1 quart, 14 floor ounces, or 1.36 liters of veggie juice. And without further ado, enough talk. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Complete. Down the hatch. Just an Engine is back, baby. Like and subscribe, and let's go. More chugs on the way. Little bit of housekeeping before I go. Official time was 1 minute 11 seconds. If I can't figure out to put a clock up there. And here's the carnage or the cannage. Straight up down the hatch, drown the gurgitator. And like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And just let everyone know, Ingestion Engine is back. Peace.